Hey there guys, Sylwia here and welcome all to my Boss Traffic review. So here I have the members area of Boss Traffic. Guys, I've watched it all and I'm gonna tell you what it's all about. Alright, so stick around with me. Because I must say on the sales page they do not give away much information about what this product is specifically all about. Okay, which is kind of understandable. They do say our secret 2024 traffic hack. By all means, that is an amazing, I must say, traffic hack, which drives well over 1,000 plus laser targeted buyer clicks to any link in any niche, banking us, them, because the sales are never guaranteed, especially for newbies who don't know what to do. Okay, and never really watch the training to begin with. I mean, guys, you would be surprised how many people buy but never really go through the training, through the product in the first place. This is like, to me, it's just mind-blowing. But yeah, watch this training because it's super cool, valuable. Again, I'll elaborate more about the method they teach you here. And yeah, I believe they make this money with this method also specifically. Why I believe that? Because Fergal Downs, I mean, this is a product that is, that was put together by Fergal Downs, but, also Max Gerstenmaier, very good vendor, and then Cheeseman here, okay, the launch partners. So Fergal actually, as he was going through the training and explaining the method in a very sweet and short way, I mean, like, you're gonna be, your socks are gonna be blown off by the duration of the course. It's short and sweet. Maybe it's gonna take you like over half an hour to go through all of that. But the beauty of it is that he's very much on point. I mean, the method is insanely effective that Fergal talks about in this training course, but that does not, I do appreciate that he doesn't elaborate too much. He goes straight to the point. So watch the training, then put it into action, and you may be like really, really pleasantly surprised by how quickly you will start getting results. Now, I will leave you to it in terms of checking out the sales page. The link to the sales page will be right below my review in the description box. This product has just gone live, today on the 4th of March at 11 a.m. New York time. So it has just gone live. I'm going to publish this review anytime soon. So yeah, check it out. As I said, I'll not be they give you some bonuses as well. I'm not gonna read through the sales page because they don't reveal the method on the sales page. They don't give away too much information. But since I've watched it all, then I obviously understand what it's all about. There will be some upsells, so stick with me, I'll tell you. Alright, so there will be some upsells, but you can also access them from inside of the members area, and this is the launch period. So from today till the 8th of March, right before midnight New York time, the launch ends. Okay, cool. So let's get to it, guys. Now, also for those who decide to pick up this product via the link below my review, I have some exceptionally valuable bonuses. It's like, very, very valuable, and which will complement this product very nicely, all around affiliate marketing, guys, and some courses which will also empower you with new ways of generating free traffic. Okay, and as I click through this one, this is gonna, which are PLR or master reseller rights products, they're gonna just, especially this ClickBank will work really nicely with this method. Because what's this method all about? Now, guys, have you heard about LinkedIn? I'm sure you must have heard about LinkedIn. If you have a LinkedIn account, then you can, guys, publish your articles utilizing this LinkedIn polls. As you Google it, and I would encourage you to do a bit more search, so you super sure this method is actually legit and what they teach you here, and because that's what this product is essentially all about utilizing, making use of LinkedIn polls, which is a self-publishing platform, which means you can write articles or blog posts or rather on it rather than publishing them on your own blog or website. This is especially very good if you don't even have a website yourself. There are platforms where you can post articles, create reviews, written reviews on Medium and other platforms as well. But what is amazing about LinkedIn polls these days, about LinkedIn articles in general, that Google, Daddy Google really likes them and ranks them, like these days, ranks them high. That's why I'm sort of like getting to like Fergal's courses more and more, because he sort of like discovers these kind of hidden jewels right there. They're not hidden as such, but nobody thinks about these methods, okay? And you know, just because Google ranks these LinkedIn articles so highly, there's not much SEO like on page, off page that you really have to do. Off page, don't worry about it because it's gonna be hosted on, you know, LinkedIn posts, but even on page, seriously, you just use the keywords, the right keywords, for example, this and that review or in any niche, okay? And you would be blown away by how highly Google will rank your articles. Okay, so this is the method behind it. And you know, and this, you know, the SEO you would be implementing, using here, taking advantage of, is called parasite traffic, okay? They had a product about parasite traffic before as well, so yeah. Anyhow, so this is the unique time with Google now because it really likes LinkedIn articles. And guys, you would not be writing these articles yourself, okay? And that's the beauty of it, because you can outsource everything. And as I go through the rest of the training course, I'll show you where you will be redirected to a certain platform, okay, where you can hire someone who will do the articles for you in great numbers, okay? I would encourage you to post many articles, LinkedIn articles, with your, obviously, affiliate links, all right, in them. So that person will do it for you for pennies, seriously, okay? Now, this is also the tricky part here is, you know, you may have a LinkedIn account, but not, but you may not necessarily be able to have the ability to post indexable articles, as they say here. So if you can't do that, Fergal here in this indexing section will, you know, recommend a tool which will allow you to get your article, LinkedIn article, indexed so they can be recognized by Google, and hence why Google will rank them, okay? But if not, you just can sort of like use that person who will write the article for you and also post them for you. Okay, sort of post them on your behalf with your affiliate links, because they have the ability, yeah, they have the ability to post indexable articles. Or you can do it yourself, right? And yeah, in the rest of the training course here, this is the longest video, about 15 minutes long. The rest of them are 3, 4, 5 minutes. It's just gonna take you over half an hour to just go through the whole training course. And you know, the really a proper hack on how to make affiliate commissions like, you know, like crazy. Here in this finding products to rank, Fergal will go not only through Muncheye, so like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, but also ClickBank and another platform, Lasso, I believe, from, if I will remember. And he will recommend products to promote. He will just, you know, explain which products are worth promoting, which ones are better, you know, to stay away from and stuff like that. Okay. And then getting the article. So in this one here, if I click through, so I can't reveal it because it's gonna take me to the platform where you'd hire that person, okay, who would write the articles for you and even post them for you on your behalf with your affiliate links if you don't have the ability to post indexable, right? Am I pronouncing it the right way? I think so. I hope so. So indexable LinkedIn articles. And then how to cloak how to do the link cloaking so it looks better, because especially if you take your hub link from ClickBank, which is super newbie friendly, right? you will find that the affiliate links looks pathetic. I mean, too long. It's like it looks like a spammy link, so you do want to close it. Okay, and Fergal will show you how he does it. And the indexing again is if you want to index your LinkedIn articles yourself. Yeah, it's not gonna cost you a lot. He's gonna recommend the tool that would cost you if you want to do it yourself, and you can use it to post thousands of articles a month, which is gonna cost you around $20 a month, something like that. And then conclusion, and that's it. And from there you get, you can access the upgrades if you wish to upgrade. If you haven't picked them up right after buying the front end, guys, you can always come back here, and if there's if any of the apps interest you, just get them from inside of the members area. Okay, guys, so I think I explained everything about this product, so I left no stones unturned. So there you go. The secret method has been revealed. Well, you're welcome. That's the beauty about, I guess, watching a review from someone who has really truly gone through the product. Okay, I'm just not telling you, okay, guys, you're gonna learn this secret method, blah, 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 traffic hack. But yeah, Sylwia was the traffic hack, right? I mean, I don't appreciate reviews like that myself. Obviously, there are things I cannot reveal here, like the person you would be outsourcing the articles to, and this like software, because they're kind of like, it's not too cool, but I want you to understand what method you would be dealing here with, guys, and whether it works, whether it's legit, whether it's effective, and I believe it is. I believe it is by all means. Do your research on LinkedIn posts and you would be surprised, okay, what a cool method it is these days. And Google really, really respects LinkedIn very highly. I mean, LinkedIn attracts a lot of professionals, mainly, and people who have money, okay? So, yeah. Right, guys, so you're also getting my insane bonuses if you decide this is the product for you and you want to pick it up via the link below my review. All right, love you and leave you, and yeah, that's the sales page, yeah? So you can already pick it up. It's gone live. It's, how much is it? I haven't told you the price. It was around $12, $13, okay? Okay, ciao. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.